gotta breathe, okay? We ain't gotta breathe for a couple of hours. Hi YouTube, how you doing? I hope everybody's being great and everybody's being good out there. As you guys can see in the title today, it is a Fashionnova try-on haul and also styling. I will show you guys what I got, and then on the side you guys will see how I put it together and how cute it looks. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for checking me out. My name is Mrstitotv. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe before you leave out this video. We fly on this channel. We're all about fashion and beauty on this channel, and sometimes lifestyle and makeup also. Alright guys, and if you're already a good subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. Guys, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Come on guys, subscribe, share, you know. Tell your friends and family about this channel, okay? Y'all help your girl out. We're trying to get to 1,000 before the end of this year, and then we start growing from there. Alright guys, we don't want this video to be too long. Let's get into the video. If you'd like to see what your girl got and how she styled it, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay y'all, the first thing I got is this shirt right over here. This sweater, shirt, dress, whatever you want to call it. It is thick, it is sweatery material. It has a scrunchie right over here. So cute, so nice, a nice beautiful balloon sleeve, and it also came with this tie right here. The tie is connected to it, so you cannot take it off. It is gorgeous. It does have a slit on the side going down and move back. You guys see how long it is? It is such a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous sweater dress. If you guys check out my what you need for the fall essential that you need in your closet, I did mention a beautiful sweater dress that you guys in your closet for this fall and winter weather. They're so simple to put on. Put on your boots and you're out of the way. But this one right here, you need some kind of pants under it, okay? Because the whole side is all open up. So again, what I paired it with is this full leather pants right over here, also from Fashionnova. So good, really stretchy. So stay your size on this one. I won't say you should go down or go up on this side. Just stay your size. It is such a beautiful, beautiful full leather pants all the way down. It is such a beautiful, beautiful pair of pants. This is what the back looks like. It doesn't have any zipper in it, but it's pretty stretchy enough for you to get in and out of it, and it's pretty long. You guys see I am 5'5" for reference. You guys see how long it is. It got all the way to my ankle. I just think this is too cute and too gorgeous. I also paired, you see I just went ahead and I paired. You guys will see the video over on this side how I put everything together. The shoe that I also put on is also from Fashionnova. I'll also show you guys on the side. So beautiful, so cute, and so nice. You guys could tie, you guys see how long this is? You could tie it around yourself. See, I could tie it around myself twice and I still have, you know, room to put a little bit tie over there. But what I did was, since the tie is at the back, I just went ahead and I just did one tie with it, and it still gave me my shape. I still look good and I still look cute. This is gorgeous. You can wear this to a girls' night out. You can wear this, you and babe go on a date and catch a movie afterwards. Yeah, so cute. Let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, the next thing that I got is this shirt right over here. Ooh, this shirt. Ooh. And who said you can't pair brown and black together? Do y'all see how cute that is? Do y'all see how cute that is? I kept that. This is the same pant that I just showed you guys. I was just trying to show you guys this top. This gorgeous. It's just like the other one that I showed you guys, but this one is more thin. This is really thin. This ain't gonna keep you warm. You guys see how I style it? I put the jacket that I have on with this, the leather jacket that I have on with this outfit in the styling video is from Shein. I'll link that also for you guys. So because this one is so thin, it's not gonna keep you warm now. That's why I decided to put a jacket on top of it. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful sweater dress shirt situation thingy going on. And you guys have, it has a tie right over here where you used to scrunch it together to give you guys a little bit more closure, but if you want to leave it open, your choice. And also on this side, they also have the tie rope thingy. You scrunch it together. It could give you guys yourself as much ruching as you want on the chest, on the waist area. This is gorgeous. Y'all see how long this is on me? Y'all see how long it is on me? And it also gives you shape on the back. It is touching the floor. With heels, this is what it looks like on me. Also, not bad. Not bad at all. Such a beautiful, beautiful, nice lightweight material shirt dress that you could put on. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is gorgeous, real cute, real nice. Also good for a date night. Also good for girls' night out, hanging out, chilling, and relaxing. So beautiful. Alright guys, the next thing that I got from Fashionnova is this shirt right here. You guys, it is the same shirt with the black one that I showed you guys earlier. This shirt, like I told you guys, it is everything and some. Okay, it is everything and some. And on this channel, if you like something in one color and they have it in multiple color, baby, best believe we're getting it in all them colors that they have it. Okay. So yeah, I paired this golden jello mustardy shirt dress like the first one you guys saw in black. So they have it also in this color. So I went ahead and I got the same color. Oh, so cute. Like I told you guys, it does have a balloon, a little bit of a balloon sleeve. And you guys know on this channel we are up for dramatic sleeve, as in the bigger, oh, the better. Okay. So yeah. So we got this sleeve, the shirt right here, it does have this sleeve on it. It's really cute, really nice. I told you guys earlier. Also the pants, the same one with the black one that I dressed with the black shirt of this one. I went ahead and got it in this caramel color pants. Also same length, same everything, really cute, really nice, stretchy. Like I said, stay your size, don't go up, don't go down. The shirt, on the other hand, you could go down a size. This is a small, and I feel like it's still really big on your girl. Like, I don't think they had extra small when I bought it. So yeah. Oh, okay. We ain't gotta breathe. Okay, we ain't gotta breathe for a couple of hours. Oh no, you know, they say beauty is pain sometimes. All right, so we ain't gotta breathe for a little bit. So if you don't want to breathe, this right here, you could tie it as tight as possible to give you, if you don't have a shape, okay, if you don't have the shape like me, you could go ahead and tie this. We cinch your waist in so well. You guys see that? Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. On to the next one. Okay guys, the next outfit that I got from Fashionnova is this sweater dress. Y'all, I've been showing you guys sweater dress all day, okay? That's because I really like me sweater dress, because like I said, they are easy to put on. Put your jacket on top, put sneakers with it, put flat with it, put a boots with it, put a booty with it, and you are good to go. All right guys, let's get into this one. This is this tannish, brownish sweater dress. Really thick enough to keep you warm during the fall weather. And if not, just, my dear, put on a nice jacket on top. I didn't style it with the jacket, but you can put your jacket on top and you are good to go, baby. Like I said, this jacket is from Shein and you are good to go. As you guys can see, the dress is like pretty long. It's like a midi dress. The best part of this dress is, baby, y'all see all of this? This could be buttoned all the way up. So for those that like to be modest and don't like to show too much skin, if you don't want to show too much skin, here's the dress. Put your necklace on it and you are good to go. You could be as modest and you still have your shape going on for you. You could put it on. If I'm looking at, here's where my mirror is, okay guys? So you could look like this, and I really actually like it like this. Also, if you want to wear it to work, this is the best way for you to wear it. You can wear it to work like this, put a vest on top of it, put a jacket on top of this, a blazer on top of this, and you are good to go. But after work now, and you want to go catch a drink, go for happy hours, we could transform this also. All you gotta do is pop, pow, pop, pow, and pop, pow. Yes, honey. Yes, y'all see that? Ooh, just brought out the sexy over there, and you could come on top also and bring out the sexy over here also. And it does unbutton on both sides. If you want to live it like this, your choice. You could just tuck this in. Guys, I just gave you guys like 3 outfits in one. Like for real, 3 outfits in one. Y'all see this? You can wear it like this also and go catch a drink with your girls. You could catch a drink with your girl, go to happy hours after work. Oh, yes, honey. And it also come unbuttoned on the other side. But that one is more modest, which is much shorter than this side is. If you want to wear it like this, my baby, your choice. Wear it any way how you want to wear it, babe. I'll just like, for me, okay, y'all, this is how I wear it. I could even go up all the way up on this one. This is how I wear if I'm going out with the girls to go drink, to catch a drink and enjoy the evening. I don't already work. You go to the bathroom real quick, wipe the armpits, you feel me? Wipe the kitty cat, you feel me? And just put spray deodorant on, put your body spray, and then add your perfume, and you could go meet the girls, or you could go meet your man out for, you know, a quick drink, and then go home for a nightcap. What you think? I know I play too damn much, but yes, this is sexy, okay? Pow pow! Pow pow! But yeah, guys, this is what the neckline, I just tucked it in a little bit to give me a little bit of cleavage. But yeah, 3 outfits in one. What y'all think? 3 outfits in one, right? See, sweater dress is gorgeous. All right, guys, the next thing that I got from Fashionnova is this beautiful set right here. It's this nice, beautiful set right over here. It is thick, guys. This is really thick, really thick material. It is one of those neat sweater kind of sets. Really cute, really nice. It comes with this jumpsuit with just the string on it, on the sleeve, no arm, no. This is what the bodysuit looks like. It is pretty thick, guys. So I'm gonna say go up a size. The second one I'm going to buy. If you have butts and you have thighs, you need to go up a size. I think it looks good, and it stays pretty flat on the back right over here. It is really cute, really nice. Same material with the bodies, with the jumpsuit and the sweater. The sweater is pretty thick, really thick. Really nice for this fall weather. If you are going to be cold on the chest, you could put a scarf on your neck. This is really such a thick material. You guys saw the way I styled it in the styling video. I did went ahead and I put a belt with it. And like I was saying also, you could dress this up, video bed. You could stay home, snug up on the couch with this. You know, just put it off the shoulder. Some stuff like this. You know, look real cute, real nice and shit. Chill in the house. You have visitors over, and you guys could just hang out with your girl. Drink some mimosa at home. You know, chill, relax, hang out. I don't do a lot of hanging out. I keep talking about hanging out. I don't do a lot of it, but I do it whenever I have the time to do it. You could also wear something like this, put a belt with it, with a shoulder off. Oh, so cute. I really, guys, the next thing I got from Fashionnova is, it is this 2-piece set that I got from Fashionnova. Really cute, nice royal. It is not actually royal blue, but it's coming out royal blue on camera. It is like a teal color. Yeah, it is more of a teal color, but on the camera it's showing royal blue. It is such a very thin material again, guys, so it is only good for this fall weather. You can wear this during the winter, but you can also wear this during the spring. It is light, but again, it has a little bit of thickness. It is sheer a little bit, because y'all, if y'all could see my underwear is showing up here, so it's very thin, very sheer, but I still like it though. You guys see how I paired together, how I styled it. So you could dress this up also and dress it down. This is what the bodysuit looks like. It is just a spaghetti strap kind of bodysuit. Spaghetti strap kind of bodysuit right over here. I'm very conscious of my arm, so that's why most of the time you guys don't see me sleeveless, because I'm not a fan of my arm. I fit on this channel, but you know, your girl's trying to get over that. I'm trying to get over it, so but we'll be alright. So I did went ahead and I put a belt with this, and also you could dress this up and dress this down. The duster, man, you'll see it is laying on the floor. I am 5'5", like I told you guys for reference. It is pretty long on your girl, really long on me. So even with heels, it's still literally touching. This is me on my tippy toe, okay, and literally it's still touching the floor. So all my tall girls, this right here is for you, okay? So you could wear this and chill at home also with this with your girls, or you could dress this up and hang out with the girls out to go get a drink. So yeah. Alright guys, the next thing I got from Fashionnova is this beautiful jumpsuit right over here. It is like creamish and it has some brown details on the zipper area. Came with this belt and really came with the zipper on the leg area. You guys can see it over there. Really cute, really nice. It does have a pocket over here. Shout out to Fashionnova for giving us a real pocket in front of the pant, and it also have a pocket on the back. Really cute. It's like it has a little bit of stretch on it, but it's like a cargo-ish material. I don't know, really thick kind of material, but it is really nice and really cute. Conform to your body, really cute. I really love me this jumpsuit. It does zip all the way up, and it also have a collar right over here. And you know, I don't know when I'm gonna be going that I'm gonna zip it all the way up like that. So even if I'm going to church, I ain't gonna zip it all the way up like that. But if you are one that don't like skin showing too much, this is cute for you. But for me, we're gonna have to, like, you know, we're gonna have to zip it down. I feel claustrophobic right now for a quick second. So yeah, this is what this one is. Really cute, guys. Don't forget to go in the comment section and let me know which one I styled best for you guys and which one you guys are also capping. And don't forget to check the description box also for all the link to the outfit. The ones I can find, I'll definitely link it up for you guys. So yeah, the zipper on the arm does come open if you want to leave it open like that. And this is just a full zipper right over here and on the chest area. And yeah, and the zipper on the leg also does come. You could zip it all the way up if you want, but this is what this one looking like. This is what the back is. The belt, you can definitely take it off and put your own belt with it any way you feel like. That's what I seen how I style it on the side. So yeah. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys like every single thing I got from Fashionnova today. They all look fly and they all look good. I will do my possible best to link everything I got in the description box. Hopefully they have something going on. I know they have a huge sale going on right now, so hopefully you guys can, you know, catch up on one or two things that I have on. If not, I will link something similar in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box. Alright guys, until next time, remember to leave your like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.